a high-quality gimbal does more than just smooth out shaky footsteps. It provides a platform for creative camera movements like panning, tilting, and dramatic 360-degree rotations. In this episode, we will talk about best gimbals for action cameras.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Hohem iSteady Pro 4 Gimbal. The Hohem iSteady Pro 4 is widely regarded as the workhorse of the action camera world, offering a robust blend of durability and technical precision. Built with the iSteady 5.0 anti-shaking algorithm, this device ensures that footage remains level even during intense activities like mountain biking or trail running. One of its standout features is the IPX4 splash-proof rating, which allows videographers to continue filming in light rain or near water without fear of motor damage. The mounting system utilizes a quick-release clip that eliminates the need for tedious thumb screws, making it much easier to swap cameras in the field. Beyond stabilization, the iSteady Pro 4 serves as a massive 3,600 mAh power bank capable of charging your GoPro or DJI action while you record. It also features native Bluetooth integration, allowing you to control the camera's shutter and recording modes directly from the gimbal handle, which is a significant workflow advantage for solo creators. On number 2, we have Aochuan Gimbal. Aochuan has carved out a unique niche by focusing on versatility and extended reach with its dedicated sport camera stabilizers like the Smart G1. This gimbal is particularly notable for its built-in 19cm extension rod, which allows for higher angle perspectives and more immersive self-vlogs without needing extra accessories. It boasts an industry-leading battery capacity of 6,400 mAh, providing up to 20 hours of continuous operation, which is nearly double that of many competitors. This massive power reserve is designed specifically for reverse charging, ensuring your action camera never runs out of juice during a long day of filming. The Aochuan system uses an orthogonal motor design that supports a full 360-degree rotation on the roll axis, enabling complex Inception-style shots with ease. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it a favorite for travelers who need a multifunctional tool that can withstand the rigors of heavy outdoor use while providing highly granular control through its integrated display. On number 3, we have GoPro Flute Pro AI Gimbal. The GoPro Flute Pro AI represents a significant leap forward in stabilization technology by integrating artificial intelligence directly into the hardware. This premium gimbal features a dedicated AI subject tracking module that can lock on to a person's face or body, automatically panning and tilting to keep the subject perfectly framed without manual intervention. This professional 3-axis gimbal features interchangeable mounts, making it compatible with smartphones, GoPro cameras, and select compact point-and-shoot cameras for versatile shooting setups. An advanced AI subject tracking module supports both forward and rear-facing tracking, accurately locking onto a person's face or body to keep them perfectly framed at all times. The built-in fill light enhances lighting balance in your shots, helping you achieve more polished, professional-looking results in any environment. Its orthogonal motor layout allows for unlimited 360-degree pans, giving creators the freedom to capture seamless panoramic shots and complex orbital movements with professional-grade precision. So these are some of the best gimbals to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.